Alright, it's a bit windy out today, but hopefully it's not going to mess with the sound too much. We got some tire work that we got to go do, and I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the kind of stuff that I carry with me in my truck. So, we got the 20-ton jacks, which hard to do tire work without jacks. We got plenty of penetrating oil. We got all the various vice grips and air chucks and tire gauges and patches, and this is where I keep all my heavy duty 1 inch impact sockets, and these are patch plugs, and I got just a couple of various random items in there. Got some valve stems and such. And then up here we got the mounting paste and my soap and water, some hammers, and some my wood, so that I have something to put my jack on if I have to. I'm gonna be taking all this stuff off because this is from the last job. And over here we got all the tools, and this is my 1 inch impact. These are bits, wrenches. All these are sockets. This is just a big variety tool kit, and I got a cordless impact gun in there too, and it's very basic, just tool stuff that I usually need. In the back of the truck is where I keep my tire bars, my sledgehammer, my bead seeder, various parts that I like to carry around with me in case I need to do some repairs, and my slide wedge, and all that pretty well self-explanatory. There's my compressor. I'll go up here on the cab, and these are new tires. Like I said, I'm gonna be taking them off, but so this is my compressor. I got two hoses. I got a 1/2 inch hose and a 3/8 hose. The big hose, and both of them are 50-foot long, and the 1/2 inch hose is to run the impact, the big 1 inch impact, and then the little hose is for all the other stuff that I need. And I don't have the starter is bad on my engine there, so I just pull start it, and it hasn't given me any issues, so that's a good thing. But I'm gonna clear all this out because I gotta go and pick up 9 tires for today. So all this stuff gotta make some room. And in here is just where I keep straps and chains and binders and gas for the compressor. So it's all pretty simple stuff, but in a snap I'll have this unloaded. Bam, just like that. We're all packed up and ready to go. So we're see how today goes.